Yes, so on this beautiful day, we are going to be scuffing a car. So we're going to be using, if anybody's not familiar, I had bought these. So it's a 3M Scotch-Brite ultra fine hand pads. And I called in a little bit of help because Noelle is not here today. So we're going to get right to it. But before I go, I just want to let you guys know, if you enjoy our videos, do not forget to hit that sub button and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you. As you can see, it's late, so we've been working. But we got it pretty much good. We got a lot of the rust spots down here. And the whole engine bay is pretty scuffed. My paint guy is coming in the morning to check it all out. If everything checks out, he's going to spray the engine bay. Then we really got to get it going on this motor because we got to put it all back together and then drive it to him so he can paint the rest of the car. So that's the plan with that. Thank you for helping me out. She helped me out. I mean, it's not that late right now. I think it's like 9, but we still had to work late. So we'll see you guys in the morning. So my paint guy just came and he basically showed us how to get rid of this rust stuff, like the most efficient way, I guess. So we still got some rust there, some along there. So basically it's going to give us this acid to kind of put on there and it'll kind of eat away at it. So we're going to go grab that from him, give it a shot. So I will show you the process. And then we're going to sand this stuff down a little bit more so we get it, you know, a little bit more perfect. So we're going to go get some like 400 grit and get to that. And then this week he's coming to paint the car. So it's not ready yet, of course, since he gave us more things to do. So we're going to get that done. And then hopefully Wednesday he'll come. He'll shoot this. I think the last part, because I ordered my exhaust manifolds, which will be here, and I didn't get to go top mount because they don't. There's only one company that makes top mount twins really now that I could find, and it's like $2,300 for the manifolds, so I skipped out on that. And we just went with the Tomai ones, and they're down below still, which it is what it is. So I just had to cut that out because I almost told you guys something that you weren't supposed to know yet. But anyway, yeah, so the Tomais will be here probably Wednesday. And then once he shoots the engine bay, we will get done. We'll get on the motor because we do have quite a bit to do on that side too. And we have about, what are we in, February? We have about like a month and like 2 weeks to get this thing ready. So, no, I lied. A month and a week. And then, so that's when like the first show is, and I really want to pull it out. We'll see if we can make it happen. My paint guy came, and I told you he gave us some more work to do, but he also gave us this rust mort stuff to get the rust out. And so we're going to do that now. He kept telling us, don't touch it, it's acid. So we're going to do it, and never done it before, so we're going to give it a shot. But you can see, he just gave us this little amount, because he told us you don't need a lot. I don't think he trusted us with it. So we're just going to go along these spots here, and we put the drop cloth down below, the plastic one, and we're just going to see how it works. He said it works like magic, and it will eat away at most of this rust. So she volunteered. Kat's volunteered to get it all done. So we're going to get started. Alrighty, so we put the rust mort on the rust, and just to show you what we used. This is what we used. So we got a lot of it off. It came out really good. mean, it just kind of ate at it. So now we're just kind of doing water like a cloth to get the rest of it up, and then we're pretty much ready. So, well, then I'm gonna scuff that, and I started to do to even out here because it's parts that when you lift the hood that people are gonna see, so you kind of want them more perfect. So I just kind of smooth everything out. We used a 220, I believe, and we have a 400 as well that we picked up, just so everything is like super smooth, super fine, works out perfect, because we want it to look good, because we put all this work into it. So she's working on that. I'm gonna work on sanding the rest of this, and hopefully tomorrow it gets painted. So we'll keep you guys posted, and we hope to see you guys at some shows if you're local to the tri-state area, even if you're not. Alrighty guys, so my paint guy is on his way to come paint the GTR, so you'll finally get to see the color. And I don't know, I'm gonna have to help him out and stuff a little bit, so I probably won't be able to get too much footage. I would hope to set this up, but we're gonna be doing it in the garage, so it's gonna look like, I mean, there's gonna be stuff everywhere. Probably have to open up the garage a bunch of times. It's not an ideal situation, so yeah, he's on his way here, and we're gonna get right to it, so you will see the new color of the GTR. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. That's our ghetto paint engine bay process that we did, and the reveal color, the GTR, is going to be the Bayside blue. So we are going to shoot the rest of the cart not here, and yeah, so that'll be done. So yeah, until next time guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay hustling.